Friends, today I am going to narrate a story. The title of the story is Clever Bird Lesson to King. Once upon a time, a king ruled in a kingdom and he had a beautiful garden in his palace. One day, a bird came to his garden and tasted grapes from the vine. Grapes were sweet in taste, and from then onwards, that bird would come to garden every day, sit on vine, and eat all sweet grapes and throw down sour and unripe grapes. The gardener noticed this and got very angry at the action of the bird. He tried to drive away the bird but failed. So he told the king about it and requested, "Your Majesty, please do something about it." The king decided to deal with the bird himself. Next day he went to the garden and sat hiding under the cover of dense vine of grapes. As usual, the bird came and sat on vine and started eating grapes. Seeing opportunity, king caught him, but the bird tried a lot to get free from the king's grip, but all was in vain. In the end, the bird begged the king to release her, but the king refused. Then the bird said, "If you leave me now, I will tell you 4 things of knowledge." The king accepted this and said, "Okay, first tell me all those 4 things of knowledge. Only after listening to them, I will decide whether I should leave you or not." The bird said, "First thing, don't ever let an enemy who comes to your hands go." The king replied, "What else?" The bird said, "Second, never to believe in anything impossible." Then the king said, "What's the third thing?" The bird said, "The third thing is don't regret the past." Then the king asked, "What about the fourth thing?" "Fourth point is deeper. I want to tell you that, but you have held me so tightly that I am suffocating. Loosen your grip a little so that I can tell you the fourth thing," the bird said. King loosened his grip. As soon as the grip was loosened, the bird escaped and sat on a higher branch of tree which was out of king's reach. The king kept looking at the bird, shocked. The bird sitting on the top of the tree said, "Fourth, nothing happens just by listening to knowledge. It also has to be implemented. Just a while back I told you 3 things of knowledge, but even after listening to them, you ignored them. The first thing I told you is that never leave the enemy in hand, but you left the enemy that came in your hand, that is me. The second was that not to believe in impossible things, but when I said that fourth thing was very deep, you believed my words. The third thing I told you is not to regret the past, and see, you are regretting my release from your clutches." Saying this, the bird flew away. Friends, the moral of the story is, mere acquisition of knowledge does not make one wise. A wise person is one who applies the acquired knowledge.